Okay, thank you. Welcome back. I appreciate it. I hope you've been well. Okay, I may have shown you this video before. I'm not sure. I'm doing so much just like yourselves. This is a buddy in San Fernando Valley, north of Los Angeles. Technically, it is North Los Angeles. I taught him, hey, when you see a helicopter, pull out your camera, record it. He got very lucky. He's done like 3 of these videos now. Very lucky. Just chopper sitting in the air. It looks like it got tagged by 2 drones. 2 drones here. What can I say? Remember, just leave me a comment or question. Let's go to the next. Okay, November 11, image 145. You see that drone? Look at it on the bottom. Look at that drone coming in. All in time frame, 4 or 5 seconds. 60 frames per second, recording at 4K, 60 frames. So what is that there? Like 20 frames or under, 15 frames. So that's like 1/4 or 1/3 of a second. That's the Coast Guard coming in, looking around. Same story, same format, looking for this drone. You guys probably know this by now. They're still looking. All right, let's go to the next. Okay, great, thank you. November 19, image 653. This is a tourism chopper. As you can see, the again, 60 frames a second. It's there for like about 10-12 frames, so it's still within the same time frame. A lot of overcast November. Fog. I'm surprised I got this lucky, but I did. I just want to check that out. Nothing's really changed. After 4 years, nothing has changed. These drones are still here. Let's go to the next. There it is. Ooh, look at that, right coincided. Okay, November 15, image 921. I showed you this last month. This is a beta test I'm doing with a car radar detector, pointing it at these helicopters and seeing if these drones are giving off any kind of frequency here that can be picked up. I'm going to do this test for another 5 months, but on this video, it worked very well. And I wanted to just show you this because you could do this. If you're already recording helicopters, get a hold of maybe $100 detector, point it at the sky. It should not be going on if you're pointing it at the sky. Now point it at helicopters and see if that thing starts to ring. Just copy this format. Let me know if you get lucky. You can email me your video, custodianfile, F-I-L-E, @gmail. Okay, great. Let's go to the next. Okay, great. Hi, I just want to travel back. This is from May of 2021, May 25. This is when the USS Gabriella Gifford came to Marina del Rey. In my opinion, obviously looking for this drone. They threw down a chemtrail, a 1-mile chemtrail, which essentially started to drip out of the sky. And you could see the rainbow effect, the kaleidoscope. My theory is that these ions, barium, aluminum, is most likely going to fall to the ground. The drone's going to fly through the ions. It's going to get coated. It's going to get painted. It's going to show up on radar. Very clever technology. The reason I'm showing you this is I found a similar picture, Toronto, Canada. Very similar radar, rainbow-like. I want to show that to you. All right, let's go to the next. Okay, great. This is a rainbow, very similar rainbow image. As you know, you're not supposed to be able to see rainbows from clouds. Those are literally chemical trails, petroleum, but again, aluminum. I'm not an expert in chemtrails. I'm a pharmacist. I could study about it. It would be easy chemistry. But again, this is just a little bit north of Toronto, Canada. And there has been some serious UFO activity there. Drone activity, I should say. UFO drone activity. So yeah, seems like this technology for coding the sky for drones is ubiquitous. And it's clever. And tell me what you think. Let's go to the next. Okay, great. Thank you. March 23rd, 2021, image 854. I showed you this before in March. I just want to revisit this one because this is, to me, this is just really over the top. So it was a very windy day. That hawk was just hovering. He wasn't moving. I said, hey, what the heck? I'll take a picture of a hovering hawk because it's kind of cool. And this thing, whatever this thing is, flies by in the background. So is this a giant ship, a triangle ship? Is this 3 drones? Is this 3 spaceships? The hawk is like 150 feet, about 200 feet from the camera. I can't begin to do the geometry on this because we don't know how big the ship is. Why would 2 of the dots be white, 1 be black? I think this is a challenge. I think this is a challenge from our ET brothers, and they're saying, look, you guys are pretty smart, so how are we doing this? How do you get 2 white orbs and a black orb? How do you do this? So come on, guys, help me out. I know there's some really smart people watching this. Give me some feedback. Give me some theories. Don't worry about being right or wrong. Please give me some theories. Let's brainstorm this all together. Let's solve this. Let's get this information out there. This is what it's about, sharing this information to everyone. Okay, please remember to like, comment, subscribe. Go to my Instagram, custodianfiles. Until we meet again, stay safe, and thank you for watching. Take care.